this is the evaporator, and this is the cover. This is on the freezer. This is on a Whirlpool KitchenAid model, and we're going to be changing or removing the heater. So now is a good time. The evaporator is out, so this will give you a really good idea on what to do and how to get it out. Now, you're not going to be doing all of this because obviously this will still be in the refrigerator. You're going to have 2 screws back there. You're not going to take those out. What you're going to be concentrating on, going to be removing this tab. You're going to squeeze it and push. And then you're going to have a rubber grommet. You're going to pull it out. Now, I'm going to take this off just so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so under the heater, you're going to have 2 clips, metal, and you want to be careful not to damage the evaporator. Super careful. Sometimes you can use a needle nose, but I noticed using a hook gets in here a lot easier. Just don't damage the coil. You're going to push down and pull, and there you are. Okay, that's how it is. Again. All right, I think that covers that. And now you just pull straight on up. All right, so we've got a heater out, and we have our evaporator as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching.